power off. Main power off.
Wait.
T-minus 30. Status check. Go Delta. Go WGS 9. Green board. 5. Flight lock. SRM TBC blowdown.
This is live?
15. Roger ignition.
Dude. This is so cool.
T-minus 10. 9.
8, 7,
6,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dude.
Of the United Launch Alliance, Delta Forward.
Yo, 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 go, 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 go! Where is it?
we'll see it when.
Tell me whenever you guys see it.
I think it's here. Unless it's in another state. Freezing.
Wait. Is it in another state?
So which direction coming from the south? Should be coming from over here.
Well, put it out of there.
You can?
You can?
Oh, there it is! Wait, no, never mind.
Oh my gosh! Dude!
Oh!
That's a rocket!
That's a rocket!
That's a rocket! Going into space!
rocket.
That's a rocket!
Oh!
It's going into space! It's going into space!
Space!
To space! To space!
Yeah!
To space!
Space!
USA!
We're going into space!
Yo! For the first time, I always thought it was fake! Dude, I always thought Alex I always thought it was fake! What? I always thought it was fake! But guys, you know what's gonna stink? We're probably gonna die soon.
Yeah. Call of Duty Infinite Warfare is becoming a reality.
No, that's in like a million years, bro. Nah. Okay. Dude,
Look at it.
it looks like a star!
No,
Wait.
Don't tell Carmine.
Where is it?
Don't tell Carmine.
He's dead.
Wait, dude, what if he sees it right now? Dude,
There it is. It's going in a diagonal.
dude, I can't believe my camera's actually catching. I
I mean, my camera's catching it.
dude, my camera is catching it too.
Still there.
All you see is like a tiny little speck. All you see is like a tiny little orange speck.
There it is.
Dude, it's shining bright like a diamond.
It's not diamond. It's more of a jasper.
Shining bright like a diamond.
No, it's more of a jasper considering it's orange.
Dude, this is awesome. We're witnessing a rocket going into space, bro. Okay, dude, we're witnessing a rocket going into space. I always thought it was fake. I
We
didn't
got a
think.
human in space again.
Again,
Ever since Donald Trump allowed it.
they're probably going up there to build a wall. That's where they're starting to build the wall.
Look, a rocket ship.
Yo, a rocket ship.
They launched it from space.
I always thought it was fake. I didn't think space missions were real. I thought they always. This is proof that. This is proof that.
Carmine?
Dude, this is proof. Dude,
That-
where's the moon at? Where's the moon at?
That aliens are real.
That doesn't prove anything.
Yes, it does.
Dude, that doesn't prove that aliens are real. No, they're not. Okay, I believe they are, but
No, they aren't. There was an alien spacecraft found in area.
I don't see it anymore. Where is it?
wait.
It's way over there. It's in orbit. It's in orbit. It's out of the atmosphere, guys.
Dude,
It's in the
it's
stratosphere.
out. Wait, did you guys see it fade into the darkness?
Yeah, I was watching it. Guys,
Dude.
guys, we need to go find Carmine.
Oh no. No. Carmine can wait.
You guys wait for me.
Carmine's probably been abducted by some
I'm not sure. Dude. Okay, so probably, you know what stinks, dude? I mean, they're probably gonna die as soon as they get up, like to the, to like the where they about to go to space.
Then it blows up.
Yeah, it blows up because
Nah.
there is
No, that only happened once. But that was like during war.
Stop recording and turn your flight science on.